Hello friends, welcome back to My Beautiful Cone Life, and today we're going to talk about my bougainvillea plant. I recently had uploaded a 16 seconds short video. After that I did get requests about asking me about the care that I take of this bougainvillea. So let me share some tips on how I care about this bougainvillea. The most important aspect about bougainvillea care is pruning. This plant of mine, I have pruned it so many times, and I've pruned it so hard, like as though there's no tomorrow for this plant. But the pruning of this plant has benefited because it has given me a lot of flowers. Well, the idea for me to prune the plant was because I wanted to convert it into a bonsai. But then suddenly I saw these branches shooting out with lovely flowers, so I stopped pruning because I want them to bloom and then I'll move ahead. Okay, let me talk with regards to watering of this plant, how I water this plant. This plant does not require wet soil, so every time you water, it should be that when the soil has gone dry. So you are going to take care that between waterings, the soil is completely dry. Else, if it is wet and mucky, it may lead to root rot. Also, the pruning of spent flowers is also important because the force required for more flowers can be given to the plant if we remove the dead flowers or trim off the dead flowers. If you see these flowers here, they are already spent as against these. Okay, these have already withered. So you will have to trim this off just at the stem there, so that the strength required to give more flowers, maybe on this part of the branch, is utilized by the plant. With regards to the sunlight, this plant gets the full sunlight. It's outdoors. It gets its minimum of 6 hours. But then the trick that has made this plant bloom, though it was placed in the sunlight for a very long time and did not change its position, is a use of fertilizer. The fertilizer that I have used for this plant is my bone meal fertilizer. What I had done is, about 20 days back, I dug up this entire area about 2 inches below, added the bone meal to it and covered it again. So fertilizer has made a lot of difference to this plant with regards to the blooms, as it has bloomed for the first time so heavily in the garden. Another aspect I have to tell you is with regards to the soil. It requires a very well drained porous soil, so you cannot add coco peat because it's going to retain moisture. So it would be more about garden soil. You can add sand and you can add vermicompost, because bougainvilleas are heavy feeders. Every time you fertilize them, and if they still have very nutritious soil, then it's going to benefit the plant again. So for the care of a bougainvillea, pruning is very important. You have to have a minimum of 6 hours of sunlight. Watering must be as and when the soil goes dry. With regards to the soil, you should have soil which is well draining, which does not retain moisture. With regards to fertilizing and the number of times, I use bone meal fertilizer, which is a slow release fertilizer. Repeat this exercise of fertilizing this plant maybe every 20 to 30 days time. When it is blooming like this, you can go ahead and fertilize it every 15 days. I still have a dream about having this bougainvillea plant as a bonsai. So once its blooms are done with, I'm really going to chop them off and give it a shape. If you look at the trunk is quite sturdy because it's been there for some time with me. And this is the first time like it has really bloomed. Yeah, this is how the plant looks indoors. Thank you for watching. I see you again. Bye.